Good morning, sir. This is my course project in CS6207. Activity number 1A. So first, I'm going to open my and then visual code. Here in Notepad, I already put all my activities today. So then I will just copy and paste. Then for the first line, I'm just going to the first space, then change the apostrophe to double quotation. Same as the second line. And then for the third line, change the letter C into country space. Okay. Change the apostrophe into quotation. Space. Space. Into the fifth line, the free first line, change the last name with the small. And then change the apostrophe to single apostrophe. And then in sixth line, change the apostrophe, single apostrophe to quotation, double quotation, and then double quotation. And for the seventh, into single quotation.
Oy, bakit tayo
Oh my God, this is not good.
let's get together.
I'm so sorry about that. So here,
Nagtitipid na kami.
space,
We are willing to answer.
and
Ito sa hindi ako.
change to quotation,
Kasi kami
mention to quotation, and then close parenthesis,
ano mo, may limit kasi.
space,
CNP mo na ito ang mga may dalawang klase ang pag-ibig. Yung OFW, ang OFW.
for the H1,
Yung OFW,
small letter O.
siya, oo. Pero hanga ka na.
One.
Hanga ka na. Pero,
So LMS is from UC, is from UC, achieve in your space. Do you want to know? So enter the current name, 2024. So he's not turning 50. So I'm going to proceed to my activity number 1B. So I'm going to clear this out.
dapat, Monday,
So same, I'm just going to copy this one and paste.
sabi, kaibig ko.
And for the first line, just put space, space, and then change the apostrophe to quotation. Choose this one. This one. Station. Days for the 7 days. And there's and the third I'm going to put open parenthesis into. Then and into. Enter your
Ay, nakas lang na nakita ko ba yung fix mo? 5 peso? Angon?
space. C. Run. So enter my yes, I'm just
Yung kami dito. Before and after. Kala ko aalis. Baka nasa bang. Baka nasa sapatos. Tawag ko abing ko.
run.
200 yung may isa basta? 259? 200 pa na nilay?
Your to your year of birth 1995
Di ba
to
po?
20. So I am 1,150 days. So I'm going to proceed to my second activity now.
Adi ko tayo po pa dyan. Adi lang at adi ko sa'yo. Ay!
So there's no change in here. So I'm just going to run it straight.
Bakit?
So I'm going to enter my I'm going to let's say we're gonna be have a negative output. So I'm going to copy my temperature would be 36.5. And then do you have fever? No. Do you have cough? No. Do you have short? Have you ever lost sense of taste as well? No. Do you have sore throat? No. So the outlook will be named Kathleen, temperature control. Result, you have no symptoms of COVID. So I'm going to change it into positive outcome. So enter my name, Kathleen. Temperature, let's say 38. Do you have fever? Yes. Do you have a cough? Yes. Do you have a shortness of breath? Yes. Have you ever lost your sense of taste or smell? Yes. Do you have a sore throat? Yes. So name Kathleen, temperature 38, result you may have infected with COVID. This is the end of my course project. Thank you, sir. I'm done.